Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to change the clock or the time in your 10th gen Honda Civic. And hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken, and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. All right, so we're here in my 2016 Honda Civic EX, and we're going to change the clock here or the time in just a moment. But if you have a different year, 2017, 18, 19, 2020, or even 2021, a 10th gen Honda Civic, the process should be very similar, if not exactly the same for you. So I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below if it was exactly the same. Now, let's jump on over to my dashboard and get right into this and show you how to change the time. The first thing you need to do is turn on the instrument panel. So with your foot off of the brake, go ahead and push your start button 2 times. We don't want the car to start. We don't need it to start. Just go ahead and push the start button a couple of times with your foot off of the brake. All right, so our center console or computer is loading up, and the first thing we want to do is get to the home screen in the center console. So maybe it goes to something like this where it's your audio screen. We want to just go ahead and hit home over here on the left hand side, and that's going to bring us to our home screen. Now for myself, I'm looking for the option right here that says settings. We can go ahead and click on settings, and that's going to bring us to the settings within our system. And here's the option we're looking for. It says clock. If I go ahead and click on clock, that's going to bring up the clock settings within the info settings. Now there's a few different things here. My car already knows what time it is. I believe it pulls it from my phone to know what time it is. Now if that's not correct, it's not 2:03 here, I might have the wrong time zone. So I can go ahead and change the time zone right here. And to do that, I'll just hit the time zone, hit next, and I'm going to change that to Pacific time. And you can see it changed it to 11:03. It didn't only change it there, it also changed it in my center console here. So where my speedometer is, you can see down in here, it also changed it to 11:03. Now you can also change the time format. So if you want it to be 24 hours, you can do that right there. Now, if you do need to change it fully manually, you can do that right here. You'll see an option that says clock adjustment if for some reason it's not showing up as correct for you. And in here, you can just go ahead and change it to whatever time you need it to be. Maybe for some reason you need it to be 10:03. You can easily do that by just changing the time, or 9:59, just adjust it there. And when you find the correct time, go ahead and hit OK. And again, it'll have adjusted the time up here as well as over in your center console. So right down there, right down in here is adjusted as well. And it's that simple to change the clock or the time in your 10th gen Honda Civic. So I hope this video did give you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I've created some videos on how to change the cabin filter and the air filter in your Honda Civic. I'll have those linked below in the description. Make sure to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links down there as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.